Hi, welcome to Mamas and Mannies. I'm your host, Trina. This is a short form podcast for mamas that are looking for a quick burst of me time. But before we get started, go ahead and share this with another mama that's looking for some summer fun ideas, and also hit the like button. That way I'll know if you like this episode, and to just go to check out some of our old episodes. That way you can catch up on the 100 summer fun days of self-care. Let's go ahead and start off with our quote, motivational mantra, however you want to look at it. It is summertime is always the best of what might be. That quote is from Charles Bowden. Again, it says summertime is always the best of what might be. So take advantage. Guess what time it is? It's mama time. This week's mama time is going to be days 18 to 21 of our 100 days of summer fun self-care. Day 18 is do a craft project. Now, I'm just going to give one craft project. This is something you can definitely do with your kids as well. I bought some bracelet making kits from my local Dollar Tree. They have the string, like the stretchy string that goes around and you can put the beads on. They also have some great beads where you can make bracelets, smooth beads, ridge beads, different colors, everything you need. I bought about 3 packs of beads, the pack of the string to actually put the beads on. So that's about $4 or $5. And you have some bracelets and you have a great craft project for your kids. Also, this is just a great craft project for yourself. Let's say you want to make beads to represent certain things, like you have beads for going out, or you have beads for spending time with your kids. You know, if you want to switch it up instead of just wearing the same 1 or 2 bracelets. Great craft project idea, very affordable. Of course, if you want to get more or different types of beads, you can always check out your local, like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, things like that. But I think the Dollar Tree is a great place to start because you can get the materials to make bracelets for less than $5. So take advantage of that. Day 19 is build a sandcastle. Now, of course, when building a sandcastle, that means you need to be at the beach or the lake or somewhere that has sand. If you want to do an alternative, maybe you can do something at your home. Like if you have some blocks or something like that, you can build a castle, not necessarily a sandcastle. This one, I would really love some feedback. What is a creative or an alternative way to build a sandcastle if you're not at the beach? Of course, if you're at the beach or you have a vacation plan for the beach this summer, take advantage of this one. Building a sandcastle is a great way to have fun. It's a great way to slow down, great way to use your creativity. So I would really love some feedback on this one. Day 20 is visit an aquarium. Now, if you don't have an aquarium in your city, we have one here in right in downtown Atlanta. You can always see maybe the next state has one if you can do like a day trip. Like for us, there's an aquarium also, the Chattanooga Aquarium. So that's not too far from us. That's like a day trip. Of course, we have the one right here in downtown Atlanta, so we could just drive down to that. But if you want something a little bit different, see if it's something maybe 1 or 2 hours where you can do a trip, go early in the morning, turn around, finish it up. You know, in the evening, you're back at home all in one day. So I think this is a great one. Definitely to do by yourself. If you want to take your kids along, that's fine. This is also like a great date night idea or date idea. That's great too. Day 21, to finish out the rest of the week for this one, is go on a bike ride. If the weather permits, go on a bike ride. If you want to do one around your neighborhood, if you have, like here in Metro Atlanta, we have the Beltline. We also have, of course, Piedmont Park. We have other places where you can ride bikes. Just make sure you're safe. Make sure you know your surroundings. If you're going with your kids, if they're just learning how to ride a bike, make sure it's kind of semi-flat or just a little bit of an incline. That way no one's hurting yourself. That you have your safety equipment on, if that's a helmet. For your kids, like knee pads, elbow pads, things like that. That way everybody's safe, but you're also having fun at the same time. So again, the rest of the week to round us out, day 18, do a craft project. Day 19, build a sandcastle. Day 20, visit an aquarium. Day 21, go on a bike ride. Again, with all of these, you can remix them, do alternatives. I just want to make sure, Mama, you are enjoying yourself with your summer fun self-care ideas, whatever that may be. Leave a comment, post a video. That way, use hashtag Mommas and Manny so we can see what you guys are doing. Share this with another mama, especially if you see that mom is struggling with things to do with her kids or just struggling to find some time for herself. This is a great way to share that with another mama. That way she'll have some summer fun ideas to take advantage of. Follow us on all social media at Mommas and Manny's. And remember, as always, me time is essential and it is never selfish. Have a great week, mamas.